Oops, welcome to my channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell below to be updated in my new videos. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, may share lang akong application para sa mga gustong maging YouTuber dyan na nahihiya or tamad magsalita hihihi. Bago ko sabihin kung anong application ito at paano ito gumagana, subscribe muna kayo sa channel ko at siguraduhin panonoorin ang video hanggang matapos. Alright, umpisahan na natin mga kaps. Ang application na share ko ngayon ay ang T2S Text-to-Speech Allowed at ang T2S Plugin. Nilagay ko sa description yung link ng apps mga kaps. Kung na-download nyo na yung dalawa mga kaps, open lang natin yung T2S Text-to-Speech Allowed.
Let's go. Yeah. When you're feeling down and you're out, like you got nothing but doubt, you're alone in the crowd, just trying to figure it out.
Pagka-open nyo sa app, makikita nyo kung saan nyo itatype ang gusto nyong sabihin kung saan magiging boses siya.
It's me. You're gonna follow your dreams, or are you just gonna be another cog in the scene? You feel the hope in this beat, yeah, the hope that you need to proceed and be exactly what you want it to be.
Ayan mga kaps.
Hype and I'm loud, I'ma shout all about how I feel in the now. Ain't nobody ever gonna try to change me till I'm dead, pushing up daisies. I'm alone in the crowd, I won't feel down. I got hope right now, and I know I'll be found. I don't really care just what all other haters gotta say. I know everything I do is gonna make them fade away. Yeah.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, yeah. Well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me. If you wanna be something, yeah, then all you really need is hope.
Take a look in the mirror. You be where your feet are, yeah, when you stand right here and say no. I'm never gonna give up, I'm never gonna slow. The one that doesn't give up never loses to a foe. I'm the one that could show to myself I could go all the way to the top, can't stop. I'm a soldier, always closer till it's over. Older, but I'm bolder, moving forward, older, never slower. Good to know ya, don't come make me drop my shoulder. You need to believe you can achieve everything that you dream. Everything that you need is in the air that you breathe, is in the mind that you feed, is in the time that you bleed. Every second of life is another blessing to me.
And when you feel like you're nothing, but you wanna be something, yeah. Well, all you really need is hope. I just want you to trust me. If you wanna be something,
Yeah, let's go. Yeah, it's what you need when you're down, need when you're out. It's what you need when you're sad, and when you feel left out. You feel an energy drought, and it creeps out. But with a little bit of hope, you can figure it out. Let's go.
Pwede mo din ibahin yung boses mo dito kung gusto mo. Ikaw na bahalang mag-adjust. Hahaha. Pindutin na mag-internet sa iba ba. Try natin idly.
You'll be fine, get back up to the grind and never lose sight of your mission. Be driven, this life is a prison if you don't have vision. You're in it to win it, so get it, don't miss it. Your chances now, so be something somehow. Don't let yourself down. That's right. Sometimes all we really need is hope. I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me offensive even though Joe, I ain't gonna lie, life's tough. Try to get by, life's rough. Try to do it right, it's not enough. Even though you try, you still mess up. But I'm still gonna fight for what I love. Still gonna die for what I love. Still gonna try, I won't give up. Still gonna fight until I've won. They say I'm way too obsessed and I've got nothing left, and I'm not quite there yet, but those words they'll regret. Cause I've got something left and I'm not giving in. I will not let them win. I won't stop till the end, no.